2020 radically changed the economic foundations and functioning of the modern world. There are many new questions. How to keep safety? When will we get the vaccine? How long will it take? And so few answers. The cooperation of health and safety experts with doctors and paramedics who fought COVID-19 in Lombardy and USA will be key in maintaining safety. Thanks to our many years of experience and practice acquired as a part of medical missions, a sanitary audit system has been developed. With the support of company Antal, we have adapted the system for offices, commercial and production environment. The audit assesses risk based on checklists developed during the missions and prepares solutions for the following elements of the organization: employees, security procedures, hazard zones, buildings and office areas, equipment and devices, procedures in case of coronavirus infection in the organization.
We are a group of doctors and paramedics who fought COVID-19 in Lombardy and the USA. Trust our experience and ensure safety in your workplace.
EVIPER Sanitary Audit. Maximum level of biological safety at your workplace.